Ladies and gentlemen, our Queen Fatima 2025 and candidate number 7. Congratulations. Parades every year, but after the glitter fades, are we truly achieving long-term progress for our community, or are we getting stuck in celebration alone? So you have 60 seconds.
Thank you for that wonderful question. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the LGBT Federation of General Santos City, especially the sponsor, Madam Amihan, that we LGBT in General Santos, not just doing a parade or any celebration of beauty, but also with a purpose. We do have any doings that we planting. We do have HIV awareness. We do have an elderly care, but not just through parade, but also with a sense that we LGBTQ can be a written history in other, not just in the LGBT, but also for the normal individual itself. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, our second runner-up is number 4.
I would really love to start my answer by telling that all of us here aware how much we the part of Rainbow community fought so hard just to be seen, just to be heard, and just to be visible in society, but still we are being neglected, we are being marginalized. That's why we are celebrating Pride Month. This is not just a powerful celebration of love, dignity, and equality, but also remembering those who fought for the rights of the LGBTQIA+ community. And as we celebrate celebration of this, I believe that slowly we are getting there. And of course, in order for us to achieve what we want, I think it's about time that we encourage the government and the politics to pass the SOGI bill, because it will be an equal protection clause and acknowledge the LGBTQIA+ people as equal, to ensure that our rights are protected the same way as everybody else are. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope that one day we will no longer be divided and that love will bring us all together.
Our first runner-up, candidate number 14.
Ladies and gentlemen, the LGBT community work hand by hand to celebrate the Pride Month. In the July last month, we are celebrating Pride Month, but I believe that we're still not on the top. We're still in process of celebrating the Pride Month. If the SOGI bill will be passed as a law, I believe, ladies and gentlemen, it is a great win for the LGBTQ+ community that we are already heard and we are already seen. Thank you so much.